Hafiday. Today, we come together to mark a momentous occasion, the 81st anniversary of Guam's liberation from Japanese occupation. This day stands as a powerful testament to the resilience, courage, and unwavering spirit of the people of Guam. 81 years ago, our island endured immense hardship and suffering under a harsh occupation. Families were torn apart, lives were forever changed, and the spirit of our community was tested in ways unimaginable. Yet, through it all, the people of Guam held on to hope, drawing strength from the deep-rooted sense of identity and the belief in a brighter future. On this day, we honor the brave individuals who fought tirelessly for our freedom. We remember the valor of the soldiers who stormed our shores, the determination of the resistance fighters who risked everything, and the strength of our ancestors who endured and survived. Their sacrifices have bestowed upon us the priceless gift of liberty, which we cherish and safeguard with all of our hearts. As we celebrate this 81st anniversary, let us reflect not only on the past, but also look forward to our future. Our island has risen from the ashes of war, blossoming into a vibrant, thriving community. We have embraced our history and our heritage, and we continue to build a society that values peace, unity, and progress. Today, we stand as a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. We honor those that came before us by living lives that are worthy of their sacrifices. We teach our children about the importance of freedom and liberty and the cost of which it was won. And we unite as a community, drawing strength from our shared past and the promise of our future. On this day of celebration, let us remember that liberation is not just a historical event. It is a living legacy. It is a reminder that even in the darkest of times, hope and resilience can light the way. Happy Liberation Day, Guam. Thank you, and Si Masi.